Well, turning our attention to weather on this Friday morning, here's what I'm tracking for you. It's going to be mild and muggy outside with scattered afternoon showers and storms possible and more of the same, unfortunately, as we move into the weekend. Here's the silver lining. I'm not telling anyone to go canceling any of those plans, but definitely a good idea between the windows of about 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. Just keep your eye to the sky. There is the very likelihood that we'll see those scattered showers continuing in that window of time. Really the heat of the day contributing to that activity. Cloudy sky this morning in Birmingham, but otherwise clear in regards to rainfall. 75 is your current temperature. 77 now in Birmingham with 73 in Anniston. Temperature-wise, we're in the upper 60s in Double Springs, 70 from Gadsden to Center, mid-70s down towards Alabaster. Looks like maybe a blip or two popping up on the radar there just along that 65 and nearing 59 corridor. Otherwise, the rain that we had up towards Double Springs has moved on out. Heavier rainfall up to our north right now from Lacey Springs over towards Huntsville. This is all tracking off to the north and to the east. But here's what's interesting. We saw the exact same scenario set up yesterday morning, too, where North Alabama had the wet stuff that moved off towards Chattanooga. We stayed dry for the morning. This boundary, though, is draped back through Mississippi. That will start moving through Alabama later this afternoon. That's why our rain chances go up later in the day. Plus, you couple that with the heat of the day, makes the air mass very unstable. Here's what I'm tracking hour by hour for you today. Mid-70s will hold there through around 8 a.m. Low to mid-80s from 9 a.m. to 11. Couple in that humidity, it's going to feel much hotter outside. Looking at your Storm Track Futurecast, again, some scattered showers and storms likely through the afternoon, 6 p.m. from Birmingham to Pell City and Talladega. By 8:30, I think most of the rain will scoot off to the east and it dries out. Partly cloudy overnight. Temperatures starting off your Saturday in the 70s. We'll be in the low 80s by 8 a.m. Notice what happens tomorrow afternoon, too. Another boundary moves through, and this line of showers and storms is going to also bring with it the chance for some stronger storms. We did have a few severe thunderstorm warnings yesterday. We could see those today and tomorrow as well. And here's what's interesting. So the severe thunderstorm warning really just for the gusty winds. We're not looking at any severe potential regarding tornadoes. So that's good news. But because the ground is so saturated, even just the slightest gusts of wind could easily topple trees and power lines. That's why we've been getting so many damage reports. This unsettled weather pattern will continue through early next week, but it's very summer-like in nature as we're seeing those afternoon showers and storms continue through next week.